How to private post in Veeka. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to private your post in Veeka. To private your post in Veeka, all we need to do is open up your Veeka account right here. So now to private your post right here, to make it like private, so whenever you're gonna call this post or something right here, like you just post something here like you don't want anybody to see, you just want to like save some storage on your phone, you figure out just post it right here and download it. Maybe next time you have a lot of storage or something, like you can use that for when you're gonna post. And just a quick tip for you guys. Anyways guys, all we need to do, open up your Veeka account right here and then click on me on the bottom right corner. After pressing on me on the bottom right corner, you will be located right here. Now once you're here, all you need to do is click on my profile right there. After pressing on my profile right there, here you will see my moment right there. And now we're gonna create a post. So post a moment. So let's just say you have to post something. Just click on the photo right there on the camera icon, post something. Say post. And now you want to make it private. How to make it private? On the bottom right corner you will see right there public. Press on that and you will see visible to friends or only me. So you have three choices. You can do visible to friends, which means your friends will be able to see this, but anyone else besides your friends will not be able to see this. And if you make it only me, the only person who will see this post or a photo or anything or you to post right here on this specific post will be only seen by you. So yeah, there you guys. Now we're gonna compose. So there you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, type it down comment below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on how to rock, guys. There you go, guys. See you on the next one, and thank you.